Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add a work or school account on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows logo that says Start and select the Settings button. Select the Accounts option on the left side. And then on the right side, go ahead and select Email and Accounts. Where it says Accounts used by other apps, go ahead and select Add a work or school account. And there you go, guys. Just go ahead and insert your Microsoft credentials, and that should be about it. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.